Hey y'all, it's Google, and we made it to 100 subs. Woo! It was actually a couple days ago. But we made a video as I guess it's sort of 100 sub special, cause if we're being honest, that's further than I ever thought we would get. So, yeah. Yeah, here we go. I killed a bunch of people in a camping trip, cause, yeah. Alright, let's go. Okay, so, got a few things before we, start. It's like, okay, so, if you die, you can listen and, make comments, but you can't, make the choices, because I don't need the confusion of a dead body trying to pick a survival technique. Feel free to, discuss among yourselves, through most of these, even though, you will make, individual decisions, you don't have to pick what everyone else is picking, choose what you want to do. There's only, one where you all have to agree, and you will be going, try and, do it one at a time when you're making your final decision, so that I can, hear and know who's choosing what, and most of these will be, multiple choice. Yeah, so, yeah, these are, most of these are pretty, exaggerated situations. I just made them in a way that you would die more likely, because
nice. Good to know.
Earlier, but Google's had a pretty fucking rough day, and I'm gonna try and take it out on you guys. So.
Wow! Thank you.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Great. Much appreciated.
All right, here we go. So, you all decide it would be fun to take a nice group camping trip. You arrive at the forest, drive a little ways in until you have to park your car or cars, even though I don't know how many of us can drive, and take a 15-minute hike through the woods to the campsite. That's great. You are the driver. You brought everyone here. This is your fault. Ah, nature.
Oh, no.
Where nobody will ever want to be again after this
Everyone's gonna die, so we don't want us.
I get it, guys. I'm sorry.
I hate you.
Nice.
I'm back.
Oh, someone just joined. Okay, cool.
I'm back.
Alright. To catch you up real quick, you're going on a camping trip. Okay, so, night falls, and after some time of human interaction or whatever you do outdoors, everyone decides to hit the figurative hay.
S'mores and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so,
s'mores and stuff. Oh, yeah.
you made s'mores, and now you're going to bed. But, so you guys gotta put stuff away.
I don't like sleeping.
That's okay. Alright, so, you all get to choose one person among you who is in charge of cleanup duty. You're gonna be left to put away all the stuff, because no one wants to do that, and you're picking on one person.
No, I don't wanna.
That's mean.
No. I don't wanna bully anyone, and I don't wanna be the cleanup person.
I will let anyone be the cleanup person but me.
How about Google is the cleanup person?
No, I'm not there.
Yes.
Crap.
I'm just the narrator in all of this.
Aww.
So who's the cleanup person?
Daisy.
Oh,
That's all the way at the
There
top.
go you, Daisy.
All Daisy?
God. Okay, let's just go with Daisy.
Alright, Daisy has been nominated for cleanup duty. Hey Daisy,
Guess
how's
I'm
it
dying
going?
first. Bye, guys.
Maybe. You'll see. Maybe. Alright, so Daisy, you're left to put away all the stuff. You shove a piece of chocolate in your mouth as you bend over to grab some trash, but you soon begin to choke on that piece of sugary goodness. This is my way to try and narrow down you guys quickly, no offense. So, what do you do, Daisy? You're choking. No one's around to help you. What are you gonna do?
Perform Heimlich on myself. I don't know what do you do when you're choking?
That's actually a good answer.
Back up. Just let yourself die.
You're not gonna give me options.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Well,
It's
that
okay.
was kind of a freeform one. You perform the Heimlich on
Perform
yourself?
Do CPR on myself.
Okay, you know what? I'll give it to you. You said Heimlich. That was one of the options I had to let you survive. Here's the deal, though. I was going to... So, to survive, you would have to give yourself the Heimlich, but if you had tried to get one of your friends for help, I would have killed you. Because I'm going to give you this life lesson. You can't rely on anyone. No one's going to help you. Do it yourself. Yeah.
Everybody here, I think everyone here, at least, is Team Steven, so none of you are trustworthy.
I know.
Wow.
I'm Team J,
One of you
so
is even
it's
Team
even worse.
J.
You better not
There's
trust
no
me, because
way
I'll kill
anyone
you
here
all.
is trustworthy.
Alright. So, however, Daisy didn't put the marshmallows away after your little incident, which has attracted a group of bears. I don't know if bears actually move in groups, but just imagine these ones just get really lonely.
Bears don't like marshmallows.
Are you trying?
I'm trying to kill you. That's the point. Okay. The bears are beginning to destroy your campsite, waking everyone up. What do? Here's the options. You can play dead, try to fight the bear with something, try to intimidate the bear by looking bigger or making a lot of noise, or just fucking run.
What kind of bear are they? What kind of bears are they? All of these
They're like
I
all
wanna run.
of them.
The bear,
It's just
though.
all the bears.
They're all
It's just a squad made of bears.
No, because you're supposed to do
Give them the
different things for
food.
different kinds of bears.
Okay,
Let them
there's
have
a grizzly bear, there's a panda bear, there's a polar bear, there's a koala bear, and they're all gonna fucking kill you.
Surviving in these
Okay,
habitats?
so my
Okay,
option,
that's my question.
play dead as far away from them
Yeah.
as you can.
You play dead if there's not a black. If there's, you said
They
not
don't care
a black
about-
bear, so
gonna
you
eat
play
They
you.
dead.
care about eating
You
you. They care
mean.
about you being a threat to them or eating food.
No, there's no. You never said black bear, so you play dead.
Sure, there's a black bear too.
Fuck you.
Just all the bears.
them alone,
You just said like a panda and a koala. Those are from like
Hey, but
different
they want our
bears.
food.
Where are we?
I was never planning on specifying the kind of bear, okay?
Dudo, where are we camping?
I don't know, somewhere in nature. I don't go outside. You expect me to know
we're in
somewhere you would
Colorado.
camp?
I'm so done with this. You guys are all bad. You're garbage. That's why
Garbage.
died.
I was
Nobody
just
helped
trying
me
to
with
live.
my highway.
Daisy, you're the reason the bears are here, so you get to shut up.
Shut up, Google. Nobody asked you. It was in your script.
We sacrificed
The bears and Daisy.
It's her fault.
I feel like someone is going to try and use me as bait or something.
I would.
Oh, can
I
I
would
do
gladly
that?
do that.
Okay,
Can
okay.
No, you can't.
Does everyone know generally what they want to make a decision
Play
of?
dead. I want to play dead.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
remember the. No.
I'm playing the dead.
Just remember, your options
Oh, you're gonna
are
die.
you can play dead, you can try and fight the bear with something, you can try and intimidate the bear, or you can just run.
I
dead.
didn't bring my knives.
Can
for
we
bears
just stay
because I forgot
silent
it at
and not
home,
mess with the
so-
bears? Act like they
The
aren't
bears
there.
are like actively destroying your campsite, so
Play dead.
I don't care. We have to
Stand your ground.
Can we just slightly slip away from the campsite? Because if we play dead,
No,
we're dying.
yeah, that would count as like running. So you can like try and get away. It turns out so the most prominent options right now that I guess most of you are like leaning towards is either playing dead or like trying to get away from the campsite.
No,
I'm
Playing
getting
dead.
away. If I play dead, I'm dead.
Be like, oh, that guy's alive.
I don't care if you
Let's
guys.
kill him.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
I'm playing dead.
Just
Wait,
imagine
I'm
these
not
are
gonna
like
run.
very aggressive bears, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm
silently
gonna
sit
start
away.
at the top of the order, and you guys give me your answer. So Bakugo, what is your decision?
Playing dead.
Okay. Daisy, what's your decision?
I'm going to play dead, but I'm going to be actually dead.
So you're just gonna
fine, I'll
like
just
fucking
play
kill
dead.
yourself. Okay.
I'll
Pocky.
just play dead.
Pocky, what are you doing?
Stand my ground.
You're gonna fight the bear?
You idiot!
Yes.
Why would you do
You're
that?
gonna fight the bear. Okay. Lego, what is your decision?
I'm going to pretend to Kermit Sayori side.
Okay.
I mean, that's one way. Thank you for
Paula,
not getting us
what are you
wrong,
doing?
guys. Make money.
Can I give them food or something? No, oh God.
Give them yourself for food.
Oh, no, not myself.
Unless you want to pretend to be dead.
Okay, no. If I can't do that, then I will play dead.
You'll play dead?
Actually, wait. No. That's not the thing.
What?
You shouldn't play dead.
But you can't run from bears because they'll chase you, and bears are fucking fast.
I'm letting you know
We
now
can
that
fight them.
these
Still gonna
bears,
go play
their
dead.
biggest interest right now is the marshmallows that Daisy left behind.
Because she's in
They smell like me. Oh no, I'm next.
So is anyone gonna change their answer? That's already
wait,
answered.
I got one.
I'm still.
Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. I have no idea what anyone is saying right now. Okay,
Eat meat.
Google.
Eat
You
meat.
ass.
not necessarily all of them.
I'm not gonna run because bears are.
Bamboo. Why are the bears going for marshmallows? I'm pretty sure bears don't
Because that's what I want them to do. Shut up.
Okay, I'm gonna get
bears
myself
can eat what
killed
they
if
wanna
I don't
eat.
shut up. Okay, continue.
Okay, hold on.
We'll
Okay,
be
so
right.
I left off. Okay, so sad boy, what you gonna do?
Throw marshmallows at the bear and run.
Interrogate them.
Dreams, whatever.
Underground.
What?
Aw, do the bears give you nightmares?
Dreams are
I have to go. Bye. I really hope Google sneezes in this recording. 'Cause I'm gonna
Shut
force
your
it
mouth,
into the
face.
video.
No, that's not happening.
Everyone, make sure you look at the Google sneeze.
No! That is illegal.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I saw
everyone's
that
seen it
video.
already.
Google your sneeze is beautiful. It's so majestic.
I despise you and everything you stand for. Okay.
Oh, but I stand for Steven. You telling me you hate
Google
Steven?
people also say the same thing about my sneeze.
I don't know what the last human is decision.
Who, me?
No, Dreams.
Wxstful.
Oh, I said I silently slipped away. I'm not gonna.
Okay. So,
That's stupid.
Me though.
a lot more people said play dead than I thought would. Okay.
Wait, I'm coming with you. Dreams.
Actually, can I change my answer? I want to silent slip away.
Wait,
wanna
you're gonna
silent-
kill the people.
Nobody fight with me.
You're standing your ground on your own against this like horde of
No,
bears.
idiots, you don't want bears.
You don't
believe
live
in you.
either.
Wee woo. Okay.
Destroy.
Actually, nah, I'm gonna play dead. I'm gonna play dead. Final answer.
Final answer, play dead.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
They
Yep.
seem to
Okay.
be focused on my marshmallows, even though why would they
Wow,
want
okay, so
marshmallows?
here's the thing. I was initially gonna make it so anyone who tried to play dead would die, but since that would leave literally 2 people, I'm mildly conflicted at the
Listen.
moment.
Listen.
Listen,
How does that logically make sense?
because
If you
this
run,
this
if you
is-
run, then
Say your thing.
Marshmallows are dead people.
if you fight them, they're gonna fight back, and if there's a bunch of them, they're gonna fucking kill you. If you run,
Okay.
then they're gonna chase after you because bears
No, I
do
said
that.
We said
If you
flip.
play dead, then they're not gonna do anything.
But
No,
the thing is,
no.
they're all trying to like get all your food and stuff,
Yeah.
and there's
But
like
when
a
you
lot
take
of
your
them
food,
all
that's
over
what
your
I was
site.
No, when you run and they sense your
I really
fear,
don't know.
then
That's
they,
why I said
that's,
Okay, you
that's
know
why
what?
they
Fuck it.
chase
Anyone who
you.
played dead
You sense
survived.
their fear.
The only person who just died was Pocky because you tried to fight a bear.
Rather bear.
Yeah, Pocky, you're so stupid.
It's
I'm
okay.
kidding, I love
It's the
you.
Team
No.
Steven
Just
thing to
wanted
do.
to fight a
It might have
bear.
gotten you killed, but it was the Team Steven thing to do.
They're gonna melt it, so hurry and get the ones in the
This
fridge.
one for the team. Sorry,
Yeah,
fam.
no.
And chocolate.
Okay.
Oh, because it's chocolate.
Okay.
I just want you all to know that it was Daisy's fault that the bears were there. Alright, so,
Daisy will
How that one is everything break?
Person. I chose like what was it? Great.
mildly improving here since that didn't go exactly how I thought it would.
Daisy.
Okay.
Daisy, I will eat your family.
Okay.
So you have one job.
Okay.
Don't submit to us ever again.
I choked on my chocolate. Okay.
I will eat your family.
That's why you don't eat while you're walking around, Daisy. Okay,
Yes,
so,
Daisy.
Shit, there's a spider in my room. Frick.
kill it.
No.
Run, burn your house down.
How did I
No,
know
I can't do that. There's a cat in that house. No,
Okay.
I can't do that.
Moving on, because there's still a bit of stuff to do. Okay, Pocky, you're dead. Alright, so,
Okay.
I don't know what happened since you all apparently decided to
okay,
play dead, but
Pocky.
okay, you run into the woods, mourning the death of Pocky, but glad that the bears were distracted by the marshmallows. Soon, though, you realize that you're lost. Very lost. This was all kind of written assuming that people would try and run. So it's all kind of point.
Okay, let's say
because-
we ran after the bears were gone.
Yeah,
and
you
we played
ran
dead.
away because you're scared that the bears will return and try and eat you. Okay, so
And
you're
probably
lost.
ended
You
because of
went into the woods in the wrong direction you were supposed to, and now there's no trail that you can see. You don't remember which way your
Guys,
campsite
we went
was.
the wrong direction.
Wait, do we have options or no?
I'm getting to that part. All right. To try and get unlost, what do you do? This one, you guys need a unanimous decision. Will you keep walking, or do you want to send someone up to climb a tree and try and find where you're going?
No, I'm gonna climb a tree.
No.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna climb with me.
Hold on. I need like, how many of you want to climb a tree?
Me. Here, I'm climbing.
Say your name because I don't know who's speaking. There's a lot of green circles.
Thot is gonna climb a tree.
Thought?
Lego.
Yeah, me.
Thought?
Jump at the other chair right there to the
So,
floor.
Thought and Lego?
Yeah, Thot and Lego. Thot and Lego.
I'm gonna stop at Thought and Lego because you both tried to climb a tree, but your fat asses fell out and you fucking died.
Wait, who tried to climb?
Say that. Screw
Thought
you.
Fitness, guys.
and Lego.
Fitness.
Because, like I said, I'm just making this so that you can die. Okay. Alright. So, the rest of you are like, wow, that was bad. Everyone's dying. So you head off to hopefully try and get out of the woods. However, as you're walking, you can smell a strong smell of smoke and soon feel the temperature around you rise as the forest starts to glow. Turns out that loser Daisy hadn't even managed to properly put out the campfire before choking. I guess that was Smokey the Bear coming to help, but he was distracted by the marshmallows. Those damn
Can I just murder Daisy now so she doesn't
If I
cause
were
more problems?
still Daisy,
Not my
can I
fault you guys made me the cleaning person. I never.
kill Daisy from here?
No, because you deserve
Not
it.
yet. Daisy will probably die eventually anyways. Okay, so
I'm gonna kill her.
I'm now
so-
dividing you guys into two separate groups. Group 1 is Daisy and Paula.
I don't want to be with Daisy.
Paula is stuck with Daisy. Daisy and
thank the
Paula
Lord.
are group 1. Dreams,
Daisy was
Sad Boy,
shook.
and Bakugo are group 2. Remember that. Okay, so
Daisy
Daisy and
died.
Paula, I'm picking on you guys first. Okay, as you two are running, you see your car up ahead. Do you A, get in the car to drive out of this hell called nature, or B, keep running as you believe you can reach the main road from here?
You believe you can reach the what from there?
The main road to get out of the forest.
I feel
Daisy
like
and
if
Paula,
I
this
get
is
to
for
the
you.
Car, there's gonna be like station in there.
Wait.
I feel like.
I feel like if we get in the car, like the forest is gonna be on fire, so it doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, the gasoline is gonna get to the car and blow up and boom boom in our faces. Also,
boom.
it could be out
Yeah.
of gas. It could be out of gas and.
Wanna boom all the way.
How far is the main road?
It was like a 15-minute walk, maybe.
Well, we run it.
So, like, you would be, if you were running, and this is, like, assuming I'm not gonna say that you don't know where you're going, because, like, you don't know. I might try
I
and
don't
kill
know
you
how
either
to
way.
run.
So, are you gonna, like, try and drive or try and run?
I'm gonna try and run because I feel like the fire is gonna get the
Wait,
I feel like
is
the
there
fire's
fire
gonna
like
be
ahead?
No, it's, like, behind you. You're, like, running away from it.
Yeah, I feel
Okay,
like
yeah,
by
we
the
run
time
it.
we started
Okay.
the car, I feel like by the time we started the car, it's gonna get to.
No, because I'm just gonna help you here, even though I'm not with you and I want you guys to die. But
I feel like this is
Good teammate.
have you heard of like Fort Mac fire? Like people had to drive through the flames. Like you can drive through flames with the car. Just
Well,
not
yeah,
for
It
too
is,
long.
I will let you know that it is true that a car, the gasoline tank, would have to be, like, actively leaking gasoline for it to catch on fire and blow up. Like, most cars
I'm not
would
thinking
be
the car will blow up. What if we get into the car and we have to go through like the whole forest on?
I have to pee.
Oh my god.
You,
Do we have to drive on the roads if we get in the car?
I mean, like, no.
Unless you want to crash into a tree.
It's like literally a forest. There's like nowhere to go but the main road.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna die anyway, so we
We're
run.
gonna die anyway, so let's just get the car. There's
Oh, no,
AC in there. It's
socializing.
probably really hot. Depending on where we are. So I feel like Google.
I'll let you know that you guys don't have to like come to an active conclusion. Like one of you can run and the other can try and like drive in the car if you want.
Great, fine. I'm gonna try to find the main.
No, I don't want to.
I'm.
This is
I'm
only for
running.
Daisy and Paula.
Oh my god.
Okay, I want to run. I want to take my chances and run.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm running too.
You guys both ran?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, congratulations. You made it to safety. You hit the main road, tired, dirty, and feeling like
Hey,
Taking the car.
I'm so confused.
I'll tell you after. Okay. So yeah, you make it to safety. You hit the main road, tired, dirty, and feeling like shit. There are emergency vehicles all around. Huzzah! You live to stay in your flesh suit another day. Congratulations, you two. You are alive.
Haha, losers!
Hey, we make it.
This is
I tried protecting you.
moving on to Wxstful Dreams, Sad Boy, and Bakugo. I'm moving on to you two. I'm gonna try and kill you guys now.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. So you've been separated from the others. Good job. You've run in the opposite direction, meaning no main road option for you. You emerge from the burning forest to see a field of tall, dry grass that is most certainly going to be catching on fire in a moment because that's what I want it to do. You can also see a good-sized lake in the field, as well as several hills that don't have tall grass. Will you A, try and climb a tree to stay out of the grass and above the fire? B, go take a long walk off a short pier into the lake, even though the water will definitely be cold and bad for your health? Or C, climb to the top of the hill to get to the high ground and away from the flames that only want to give you the warmest hugs. Seriously, the hugs would be the warmest you will ever or will.
You need to completely restart that because I was just interrupted. I'm sorry.
You know you'll die.
Okay, so basically you come into a field full of tall dry grass that's going to be catching on fire in a moment. You have three options. You can A, try to climb a tree to stay out of the grass. B, go take a long walk off a short pier into a lake. Or C, climb to the top of a hill to get the high ground away from the field.
So if you go from one temperature to another, immediately your body
Paula?
will not.
What kind of
you will
hill is
die.
this? Wait,
Paula,
is this like
I want to go to the.
Do you want to get
What?
is this a dirt hill or is it made of grass?
It's not
Grass or
dirt.
dry grass.
It's not dirt, but it's not tall grass either. It's just like normal grassy hill.
that you could like?
Is it
stomp
wet
on
grass
to
or
put
dry
out
grass?
Fire?
It's dry grass.
Oh shit!
Then I'm going to the lake.
Okay. So
Wait, what if you get water from the lake on the grass?
Well, I don't think you have time for that. You have time to choose one of these options.
I want to go on the hill.
Dreams, you're going on the hill?
Yes.
Okay, well whichever one of you survives getting a slushy.
And then,
after this.
oh wait, I just realized that Sad Boy is like gone.
Okay.
So,
I'm going into the water, and I am taking off my oversized hoodie to protect me from the smoke. I win.
okay. So, here I'll start with Dreams. Dreams, you decided on the hill.
Yes.
All right. Sucks to be you. Those flames aren't giving up. They claw their way up that short but still dry grass, determined as team hosts to give you those damn hugs. You've trapped yourself on the hill. It's hotter than a billy goat with a blowtorch, and you just got burnt like the forgotten burger on a grill.
Bitch.
Welcome to the dead.
Yep.
To the dead by ghost comrade.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So Bakugo, you went to the lake. All right. So, where was I? Right. Okay. You managed to get into the water before you get dead, which is good, but it's very cold. Pick a number between 1 and 10. This is a luck thing.
5.
That's it.
All right. Cool. You didn't drown. All right.
Yay.
If you picked a multiple of 3, I would have killed you. So 3, 6, or 9 were death numbers. All right. So you managed to swim out of the lake without just fucking dying and climb tiredly out of the water onto the other side, just wanting this night to end in a way other than death or serious injury. But wait, there's more. Once you get out of the water, you are met by a sight of a mountain lion. I know. What the fuck, Google? Well, I want to kill you, so just fucking go with it, okay? All right. So
Google,
you have 3 options. You can fight it, you can make a bunch of noise to try and intimidate it and scare it off, or you can run.
I'm scaring it off.
It's just like, oh yay, we survived.
Fun, it's a good idea.
But wait, there's more.
I
Run
know.
is nice.
I want to scare it off.
You're gonna try and scare it off? Alright, yeah. Good job. They're actually very easy to scare off, like mountain lions, so good job. You survived.
Yeah,
A little
I'm
while
Canadian,
later,
I
you're
know
rescued
this.
by emergency services and free to live your trauma-ridden life as long as the Reaper permits you to. So,
Yes,
congrats! Daisy, Paula, and Bakugo have won. You guys
And now we
survived.
Okay.
Thot, Pockky, Lego, and Wxstful Dreams, y'all dead. Sorry, but that's how it is.
When I die.
My next
Real narrator.
I have one last thing I have to do. I'm gonna go murder Daisy for putting us all through all of this, and then I'm gonna continue my life.
I should have told you.
Perfect.
I told you I don't do cleaning.
I'm the cleaning person.
You made me the cleaning person.
Yeah. I literally made it so that whoever you chose in the beginning was going to be the cause of everything else.
Well,
Good job, Daisy. You started a forest fire. You killed 4 of your friends. How's it feel?
Good job, Daisy. You're dead now because I fucking murdered you.
That's first.
job.
Okay, who wants slushy?
Well, I mean, only you, Paula, and Bakugo are alive to enjoy them, so...
Yeah.
We're not,
There we
because
go,
Bakugo
slushy.
killed Daisy, so I'm gonna
Oh,
kill
that's true.
her out of like pure spite, so I'm
Not
the
if
only
I
one
kill you
alive.
first.
No, I will not let you murder me.
Paula is the
I will
omnipotent
not
survivor.
stand by it.
Lurking in
Run
the
with
shadows.
fire.
I'm gonna murder you.
I will
when
murder
Bakugo
you as you're
no.
murdering me. It's like, you'll shoot me and I'll shoot you as I'm dying.
Yay, no one lives. Everyone's dead.
There are no
Except
survivors.
Google slowly emerges from the shadows.
No,
Fuck
no,
Because that's in Google.
I stay alive just out of pure stubbornness.
Same. Can I do that?
I like crawl to the hospital out of pure stubbornness.
This reminds me of those like
Same.
games we
Fuck
played as
you.
children when like your
Your
sibling
fault.
would be like, haha, you're dead, and it's like, no, I'm not. By some amazing feat, I have survived and killed you instead. John Wick moment.
And then Daisy before like crawling hospital and getting epic hell. Says fuck you
die along
the
the
entire
way?
time.
Yeah.
Your
Alright, well,
fault.
that's all I have.
Alright, epic. Daisy out. I gotta go murder stuff.
Alright, yeah.
I mean murder things.
Google out too, I guess.
Okay.
Thanks, guys, for like coming to this
Fun.
mess of whatever.
Yeah, now
This was fun.
I have to run from the spider.
Nobody was alive.
This was fun.
This was
Yeah,
fun.
we're all dead, but it was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
Survivors killed each other, so you know that's fun.
Nah,
I'm
Daisy-
excited
Daisy and,
I'm excited to come
Bakugo
back
live.
and kill more people.
Okay, I'll buy you guys ghost slushies when Bakugo kills me for the second time.
I killed you right now.
Nope. I just say
First,
no.
the slushies,
I just say
and then
no because owners can do that. You
The
can, do
slushies
any, you
and then
can
the
want
murder.
to do anything and an owner can just simply say no and crush dreams.
Yeah.
I have no
Oh,
dreams because I have no life. What?
And we can't be demodded either because we're the owners. And y'all ugly. Okay, Daisy
I'm
out.
getting spammed. What the?
I can hear your spam. Alright.
What the fuck is going on?
Alright, yeah. Google out. See you
Oh.
next time we decide to murder everyone.
Right, next week.
Okay, goodbye. I will
Bye.
kill you first.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.